Guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here about to prep my hair to get my hair like this. So if you guys want to see how I got my hair this straight and sleek, stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I'm combing out my hair. I just washed my hair like an hour ago, so it's dry. It has no product in it. So I'm combing it out to section it into 4 pieces, 4 sections, because it's easier to blow dry and press out your hair when it's in 4 sections. Yeah, I'm using these clips to hold it in place, and I'm about to blow dry my hair. So yeah, just making sure it don't have to be neat, by the way. And you don't have to do it like this, but this is my way to manage my hair easy. Yes. So I like blowing out my hair dry, because when I put like oil in it before I blow it out, it's too heavy, you know. So I'm using a little bit of blueberry bliss hair growth oil. My hair, this is my hair, blow dry. Put it in my roots. Flat iron perfector straightening mist, 450 Fahrenheit heat protectant, 48 hours straight finish with argan oil from Morocco. So let's see. Make sure it's hot. Oh, and then spray it. Smells good. So this is the first time pressing up my hand like over here. finish this side. I also bought this brilliant Time Shine Glossing Spray Eye Shine Finish by Garnier Fructis. I don't want to spray too much. So yeah, I really honestly think Garnier Fructis came through with this product. Like, it is amazing. I never gotten my hair this straight on my own. Always professionally done. Every time I try doing it for myself, the ends is always still frizz out or something. And this is my first time trying out the comb method, and I really love it as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.